Hello, sweet peas. Welcome to my kitchen. Look at this beauty. I've just came from our sunny garden. The earth gives us so many gifts. Look. Here is a plump red tomato, a cool green cucumber, and a sweet, crunchy carrot. They are all bursting with vitamins. Today, we are going to make the most delicious, happy salad. Now, where is my little helper, Lazy? Look, Lazy. This is a round tomato. It is bright red.
Oh, a round red tomato! It looks yummy!
And look at this, a long cucumber. It is dark green.
A long green cucumber! Wow!
And here is a crunchy carrot. It is bright orange.
I love crunchy orange carrots. Can I help you, Mom?
Yes, Lazy. Let's make a fresh salad for our sweet peas. Our yummy salad is ready.
It looks delicious.
Goodbye, sweet peas. See you soon.